Now today's something very different. Today I was lucky enough to witness the start of the Deck 747's journey from Kemble Cotswold Airport all the way up to Manchester Barton Airport. Now the Deck 747 is actually the top section of a Boeing 747 ex-British Airways. But for now let's learn a little bit more about the deck and what it really is. The deck was formed by the company Doors 2 Manual, with aims to be a flight simulator as well as a 747 experience. The top section of the 747 is going to be placed at Barton Aerodrome, where visitors can come and see what it was like to fly on board a British Airways 747. It was such a cool experience being able to see a 747 being transported on the road. You can see the aircraft is massive and nearly takes up 2 lanes on the road, therefore had to be escorted by police. Let's go and take a look. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. If you happen to enjoy it or if you learnt something from it, please be sure to leave a like, comment what you thought of it down below in the comment section, and if you're excited for the deck to open. And of course subscribe to the channel for future content just like this. That's all from me today. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Why not consider my channel memberships? All you have to do is visit my channel page and click the join button and you'll be directed to the members page. The options are economy, which is 99p, premium, which is $2.99, and business, which is $5.99. You'll gain exclusive loyalty badges and channel emojis, as well as exclusive members content like bloopers and special recognition. Your name, no matter which option, will be in every single one of my videos starring in the outro. This is not required of course, but it's greatly appreciated. Thanks for your time.